Mamkhize found herself on social media's trending list recently, and this is after SARS advocate was shot at 3 times after Mamkhize's tax inquiry. Interesting, right? So, I wanted to talk about this and more in this video, but first, I need to request you guys to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos, so enjoy this video. So ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at on the screen right now is Corette Nodiye's car. This happened right after Corette Nodiye had a tax inquiry where she was examining Mamkhize's financial dealings. And for those who don't know, there was a YouTube video that surfaced all over social media a month ago, and that video was exposing Mamkhize and her businesses. Apparently, on that interview, they show us that Mamkhize's companies were not paying taxes as they should. So Corette is an advocate on this case, and she's representing SARS, meaning that she's the one dealing with this whole inquiry. Now, on Thursday, the 18th of July 2024, there was an examination that took place with regard to this case. And what happened is that Corette left the inquiry and went to her hotel near Gateway Shopping Center in Durban. And when she was about to get out of her car, 2 gunmen were waiting for her. They threw 3 bullets on the driver's side, and reports tell us that she was shot on the chest, the face, and on the neck, but fortunately she did not die. After she got shot, she managed to drive away and parked at a safe parking area where people came and assisted her. She was first treated on site and later rushed to Umhlanga Hospital, where she is currently undergoing her medical surgery. Now, that is the reason why Mamkhize is trending on social media, and that is not all. Federal detectives had already solved this case. People are alleging that Mamkhize saw that this advocate is making this case difficult for her, so she resolved to hiring his Nkabi too. You know what I mean, Moss. And this is not according to me, ladies and gentlemen. This is according to Twitter. So, yeah. Do comment in the comment section and let me know what do you think about this particular topic. And if you enjoyed content on this video, do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.